Students, welcome you all to my channel Study with Rachna Verma. Today's worksheet is 45. It is for 9th class students. Subject is science. You have to students fill your name in this column and class teacher name in this column. Date is 16th October 2020. Today's topic is tissue. There are three types of parenchyma, collenchyma and secalchyma, and two types of permanent tissues, simple permanent tissues and complex permanent tissues. Single type of cells are called simple permanent tissues and different types of cells are called complex permanent tissues. And features of parenchyma, they form a basic packing of cell in a plant are called packing tissue. Parenchyma cells are usually found in inner layer, and third, in cells are living and have thin cell walls. These cells have large centrally located vacuole that stores water and food, and these cells are loosely packed and have large intercellular spaces. It provides basic support to plant. Types of parenchyma, collenchyma and parenchyma. Now, there are some questions based on this worksheet as I have already solved for you. Pehla question, what are permanent tissues? Name their types. Second is, what is cell differentiation? List two features of parenchyma tissues. What are their main functions? Where are parenchyma tissues found in a plant? Why are they called packing tissues? Students, I have already done it for you, जिससे आपका टाइम बच सके. आप देख सकते हैं. All these questions are here. The first question, the new cells produced by meristemic tissues are essentially similar to meristem itself, but after a particular cell division, some of these cells lose their ability to divide. These cells undergo a process of differentiation after which they form permanent tissues or become the component of permanent tissues. Process is known as cell differentiation. Through this process, permanent tissues are found in the plant. Permanent tissues are of two types, simple permanent tissues and complex permanent tissues. Single cell types made simple permanent tissues and different types of cell makes complex permanent tissues. Second question answer is, cell differentiation is a complex process in which a simple cell grows, matures and change its characteristics slowly and attain the ability to perform a specialized function in an organ. Answer third, features of parenchyma. Parenchyma cells are usually found in the inner layer of leaves, main filling of stems and root. Its cells are living and have thin cell walls and functions. These cells have large centrally located vacuole that stores water and food. It provides basic support to plant. And answer number 4, parenchyma cells are usually found in the inner layer of leaves, main filling of stems and roots. It is called packaging tissues. स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे पैकिंग लिखेंगे. Tissues are parenchyma fills in spaces between other tissues. These packings tissues is important in healing wounds and in regenerating plant parts. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सारे आंसर्स आपने देख ही लिए होंगे. मैंने आपके लिए सारे सॉल्व कर रखे हैं. आपको जो है अच्छे से अपनी पूरी वर्कशीट को फिर से पढ़ना है और फिर से अच्छे से आंसर्स को करके आपने जो है याद करना है. बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट वर्कशीट्स हैं ये. सिर्फ आपने पढ़ के और आंसर सॉल्व करके नहीं रखना है, इसको फिर से रिवीजन करनी है. क्योंकि चैप्टर बेस्ड है और आपको ऐसा लगता है कि और मुझे ऐसी वर्कशीट बनानी चाहिए, सिंपल एक्सप्लेनेशंस के साथ आंसर प्रोवाइड करने चाहिए, तो आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करें और लाइक करें। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो।